This is the Lakeview Park in Islamabad, and inside they have a bird park, and they're saying that it's the biggest bird park in the country. And some things are kind of just out and open, and some are in cages. Ostrich. You know how big this bird is. You know?
Yeah.
Whoa! I don't want to fly past my head. Chill. The pelican. Look at this pelican. That's a bird. Look at this. Look. Oh, look at this thing. How big it is. Crazy. I would say that this is a place that you have to come to. And it costs 100 rupees to get in. It's like nothing. 100 rupees is nothing for all this.